BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Especially just looking at BMRN, this thing still going down exactly how I said before. If I pop up here BMRN, you will see that I've got like about decent amount of 7 receipts in the Discord. Now, especially with this, I also have like made the video, like I got a lot of hate about this, let's say, exactly. Because when I made the video 6 days ago, actually I got 6 likes, which is fair, you know, because I was correct since then. And the worst thing that can happen is the price just comes back up into the break even at 58 bucks and I walk away with 0, you know, because it's risk free. I got the double break. I'm looking to take it further down. So this is not a financial advice. If you want to stay tuned and get free salt, then just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Other than that, I really am not the most bullish guy ever here when it comes to BMRN. It's just the truth, right? So goodbye and enjoy, and see you in the next one.